Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r:/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command C: and simply press enter. Then type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type in cd space C: / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space C: / bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now type cd space C: / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space C: -- boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type ren space C: / boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.